everyone, thanks for joining my channel. It's Rocky. Today we are talking about presents and gifts. Oh my gosh, my favorite things. I think we've talked about this before, like around Christmas. I was struggling with the whole concept of taking time to buy other people's presents and stuff, but even though I didn't want to buy other people gifts, I wanted to receive gifts. I love getting gifts. So one of my best friends got me a very special gift around Christmas. So she lives all the way on the other side of the country. So she used a creative method called flipgift.com. I want to stop right here before I keep going and letting you know that this is not sponsored. There's no commission. Nobody's forcing me to do this. I just wanted to give you my true opinion about this flip gift service. So until she had sent me this, I had never heard of Flip Gift. And what it is basically is a super easy website or app. I just know it by the website that you can go and get gifts for a friend. And it's just delivered with a code on a card. So let me explain. So you go onto this website and there's a few ways. You can kind of curate a gift, you can get gift suggestions, you can buy a bundle of gift cards, you don't know what you want to give a person, you can just kind of give gift suggestions and then somebody can pick. But basically they give you this awesome, super wonderful card, and you basically are able to give the person the perfect gift without having to go shopping, physically go shopping. They just pick it up online using the code, and then it gets shipped directly to them. So for me, I got a great code from my friend. So I typed it in like, what the heck is this? And it led me to this cool site where it shows me the gift that my friend selected for me. I got a wonderful gift. I got a great gift. And I'm gonna show it to you in a second, but I put in my address. I got it shipped right away. And the unboxing experience was really nice. So first of all, just picking up the gift, picking it up online was super easy, came really quickly, and then the unboxing experience was amazing. So what she gave me was a gift package from Sephora with a whole lot of like facial type of, with some facial things in it. And so when you first open the box, you see it has the list of what's in the packaging, and then it comes with a little, cute little samples that you could just kind of grab, and you're like, what? Okay, cool, that's awesome, something free. Then when you dig down a little further, it came in this wonderful package that had basically all the products inside, so really a nice reusable bag. And then when you open it up, it bursts out with a whole bunch of facial things, and it was pretty cool, with yet another reusable pouch inside. And then once I opened that pouch, I found that there was a slew of other samples from really nice brands that I could use. So basically, I'm just gonna open this with you here. I already kind of showed you the unboxing experience, which was really nice. That I was excited at every layer that I had to open. But this is what basically came in the package. So the main gift, the gift that I guess I understood I was getting, was all of these facials. So there's a hydration lover, there's a bright lover, and we've talked about this on many occasions. I'll pop up here some of my facial videos so that you can see what my whole lifetime quest around my skin has been. But these are awesome. I'm so excited to try these. The next one is water replenishment mask. The other one is pore minimalist mask. Clearing solution mask, brightening solution mask. So I got a ton of masks here. How many is that? 6 masks. And then additionally, there was, I showed you in the pictures there, these samples. I got one cold plasma from Perricone MD, and then a perfume from Giorgio Armani. And this one is, Aqua de Joria, and I'll try that one. Actually, I want to smell that right now. You guys know I've been trying to dibble and dabble in fragrances lately. very perfumey. That's all I can say. Not necessarily my deal. I'm more of a lighter florally scent. This one smells a bit manufactured and very perfumey, if that makes sense. Like, what, you know, perfume. But anyway, somebody will like that, just not me. And then in a pouch, super cute pouch. First off, this is more of like a faux leather material here on the front, and then on the back it's like an embroidered type of material here on the back, and then inside a ton of samples. So I got something from NARS, from Drunk Elephant, Fresh, Caudalie, Versace perfume. Uh-oh, we gotta try that one. This one's called Bright Crystal. Much better than the other one. This one's more florally. Slightly fruity, but more florally than fruity. That one's nice. We have some Shiseido eye cream. We have some Clinique foundation. We have some Cicapair, what is this? Color correcting serum, and I don't know what the other serum is, but Cicapair. We have some Bare Minerals foundation. We have some Sunday Riley Auto Correction contouring cream. We have some Bite lip mask. And we have another perfume from Atelier Cologne. It's called Clementine, California. Let's see if we can find a clear spot on me. Smells exactly how I imagined. Very citrusy. Yeah, quite citrusy. So again, not necessarily my wheelhouse, but I think maybe in the summer, if I still can find this, I will try it for summer. And it came with an awesome, super cute postcard. So that's really nice. I will definitely use that one. Probably send it back to my friend as a thank you. I'm gonna send you your own gift back. But anyway, so I love all of this stuff. I love how it was packaged. I love the whole concept of this flip gift app or website. So if you have anything coming up, you know that Valentine's Day is coming up. If you have anything coming up, I would suggest looking at it. Take a look. I think they make the gifting very simple, very easy. It's something that even if you're more of a tactile shopper, you like to go out and pick someone's gift, I think this is a good thing to put out there and nudge, to nudge your guy friend in your life to go and, get you something nice. This is so simple, so easy. Guys would love it. Guys would absolutely love this 3-click system to just get their significant others a gift. So I would say for the men in your lives, definitely send this out to all of them. Put it on your social media, blast it out, let them know, let the guys know, hey, gifting made easy. But then if for you and your girlfriends too, this is a great idea for you guys to exchange gifts, especially if your friend is not not nearby or something like that. So this makes it easy for you to give them a gift. Anyway, I think I'm gonna do a video on some of these. I'll kind of give you an update on how I felt about these different mask brands, because there's 3 different brands here. There's Clearing Solution, there's Dr. Jart, and then there's Rubber Mask on these. So I'll kind of do some of these and then give you my feedback on these types of masks. Maybe you might want to go and try some. That brings me to the end. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you on this super cool gift that my friend got me for Christmas. Thank you. And thank you all for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button down there. Hope I'm pointing to the right. Is it this way? This way? It's down there somewhere. It's red and it says subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, because like I always say, if you liked it, I'm pretty sure they'd like it too. Thank you.